Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday wherever you are around the world. Looking across the markets, you guys can see we are starting to see once again in the last 24 hours markets starting to turn back into the green. That is definitely something that we liked seeing, but now we're going to discuss why is this happening and is this going to be sustainable, or is this just a little bit of a manipulation going across the board? But you guys know by the title of the video, we are going to be talking about Vechain. Look what Vechain is doing right now. It's up 7.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. So the bounce that it's seeing right now is very impressive, to be quite frank with you guys. Looking at the price currently sitting at 0.028 cents, up 7.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up about 4.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. We're seeing the market valuation for Vechain once again above that $2 billion mark, a big positive thing to keep in mind. And the overall 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $85 million. But now, let's shift our focus towards the price. But before we get into that, I wanted to show you guys the fear and greed index for the entire crypto space. It's neutral, sitting at 51, so we can't really make too much of a judgment. There's not too much fear right now, nor is there too much greed. We're in the middle. But now let's focus on Vechain's price, what's happening and where could we be going in the immediate short term. The amount of support I'm getting on my Vechain videos, and this has been the thing from the beginning. You guys show so much support, so I was supposed to make a video tomorrow for Vechain, but I decided to make it today for my viewers because I love each and every one of you guys. So let's get right into it. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. But now we're looking at something definitely nice happening with Vechain. Look where we got stopped out. We did go all the way down to that 2.6 cents mark, but you guys can see over the past few months, when we were consolidating, we have built quite a big support level. But look where we're finding ourselves stuck once again. We're coming across the same level of resistance prior to the FTX collapse. And obviously this dates back to May as well, and now we're finding ourselves stuck at that price again. But I do believe that it's not going to be too hard for Vechain to break out of here. And this time around, this move, I am expecting for us to retest that 3.4 cents level of resistance, which we've been trying to break out of since May of last year. So that is going to be a very exciting thing for Vechain, and a lot of excitement things coming up. And if we're looking at the hourly time frame, guys, Vechain chart is looking bullish in my personal opinion. And as of now, the entire upwards trend, as I was mentioning to you guys, is still not invalidated. We are still creating higher highs and higher lows. So that is definitely a nice bullish thing to take away from that. If we're looking at the BTC dominance, this can help altcoins right now. You can see BTC dominance is starting to decrease once again, meaning money is going out of Bitcoin into altcoins, and that could have altcoins outperform Bitcoin in the immediate short term. But looking at Bitcoin is creating a green candle. Give yourself a pat on the back. Bitcoin is looking really well as of now. Again, same thing as Vechain. We're still in the upwards trend for Bitcoin. Nothing is invalidated because we have been creating higher highs and higher lows for Bitcoin. And who knows, this time around we could retest that $25,256 level once again and break out of here. And as you guys know, the amount of FOMO I believe that will come in then is insane, because I do believe that this market is going to run till April to May before we do see a little bit of a retracement, a little bit of a sideways momentum, boring movement happen, because this is a very massive deciding factor for the price of Bitcoin. And I do believe this rally can run until then, but that does not mean in April or May the rally is going to end. I just believe that we're going to see more consolidation happen around those prices before we do see the next legs up. So that might be a great opportunity to be accumulating then. But why would you want to be accumulating when the prices are already up, when we have the prices right now available right in front of us? If you believe in projects, there's certain projects, whichever project you're looking at, Vechain, Cardano, whichever one you're looking at, Always do your own due diligence and research and invest where you can afford to lose, and dollar cost average in at the lowest price possible, because at the end of the day, your return on investment is going to be the highest the lower you buy it. So that is it for right now for Vechain's update. So far so good. Things are looking really well, but if anything were to change, I will keep you guys updated. But this is exactly what we need to be seeing. This shows that consolidations will happen, cool-offs will happen before we do see a continuation pattern. But as I say that, obviously today is the weekend, CME futures are closed, so manipulation can occur. So we will see what happens in this upcoming week. Still, all eyes on Bitcoin. That is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.